So the first section in what makes a good function is kind of a little bit blindingly obvious, but it's something that gets overlooked a lot. And that is your function should do what it's meant to do, and it should work. Two very critically important things for a lot of stuff in life, but applicable to functions. So I'm going to define my function to add 3 numbers. I'm going to give it those 3 numbers in. Colon to finish that line, return with that tab. My answer is just those 3 variable names added together. And I'm going to return my answer. So this is one of the issues with functions, and the section on make sure it works is that you can't test it like that. You're not going to get an error. So I could have equally written something gibberish in here like that, and it's not going to give me an error. It's only when I actually run that function and check it that I'm going to find anything out. So if I ask that for the answer at this point on add 3 numbers and give it my ABC, but I'm going to type straight into there 1, 2, 3 and print answer. It's only at that point that it's going to go, what are you going on about? There is no such thing as BC. So you have to check that your function works and check that it does exactly what you expect it to. So that should be 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6, which it does do. So kind of an obvious statement, but a really important one. Make sure that your function does what it's meant to do, does exactly what it says on the tin, adds 3 numbers together, and that it definitely works. When you're ready, move on to the next video for the next hint on how to write a good function.